I think we just need to put everything in perspective, ignore the short-term volatility we saw with quadruple witching, with FedEx. FedEx actually reminds me a lot of Walmart when they pre-announced in June, which was shortly before the stock market bottom. The good news this week is that the peak narrative is still in place as it relates to inflation. June was the peak in consumer inflation. The PPI came in better than expected, which is the leading indicator to the CPI. The bad news, though, is the upside miss on CPI cements the third 75 basis point hike, most likely next week. And the key will be moving forward. Is it 75, then 50 in November and 50 in December? Or is it 75, 50, 25? And we're going to find out. The real risk is that the Fed over tightens and does not allow the lag to kick in. And as we did see from FedEx, they may have already achieved the demand destruction that they're looking for. And if they keep tightening into that demand destruction, it could be a lot more pain than they're possibly positioned for. But I think when we look at history, the last 6 times that inflation peaked above 6% and rolled over, as we saw in June of this year, the bottom of the stock market was in. So we're still in the camp that the June lows are going to hold for the stock market. We're over 200 points away on the S&P 500. And I think that sets up pretty nicely into year end.